In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use SmartArt graphics in PowerPoint 2010 step by step. SmartArt is a powerful feature that helps you turn simple text into visually engaging diagrams, processes, hierarchies, and more. Whether you're creating a presentation for school, work, or business, SmartArt can instantly make your slides look more professional and easier to understand. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any customization tips. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint guides. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint 2010 presentation and go to the slide where you want to insert SmartArt. At the top of the screen, click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. In the Illustrations group, you'll see the SmartArt button. Click on SmartArt and a new window will appear showing all the available graphic categories. On the left side, you'll see categories like List, Process, Cycle, Hierarchy, Relationship, Matrix, Pyramid, and Picture. Click on any category to preview the available layouts. For example, if you're showing steps in a process, choose the Process category. If you're creating an organizational chart, choose Hierarchy. Select the layout that fits your content, then click OK. The SmartArt graphic will now appear on your slide. Next, let's add and edit text inside your SmartArt graphic. You can click directly inside any shape and start typing your text. Alternatively, you can use the text pane. If the text pane is not visible, click the small arrow on the left side of the SmartArt graphic to open it. In the text pane, type your content line by line. Each line represents a shape in the graphic. To add more shapes, press Enter inside the text pane. If you want to create subpoints, press Tab on your keyboard to demote a bullet point. To move it back up a level, press Shift and Tab. This is especially useful when working with hierarchy charts or structured diagrams. Now let's move on to customizing your SmartArt design. Click anywhere on the SmartArt graphic and you'll notice a new tab appear at the top called SmartArt Tools. Under this section, click on the SmartArt Design tab. This is where you can modify the overall look and structure of your graphic. In the SmartArt Design tab, you'll see options to add shapes, change the layout, and adjust the overall style. If you need to insert another shape, click on Add Shape in the Create Graphic group. You can choose to add a shape before, after, above, or below the selected shape. Next, let's change the colors of your SmartArt graphic. In the SmartArt Design tab, click on Change Colors. A drop-down menu will appear with various color combinations that match your presentation theme. Hover your mouse over each option to see a live preview on your slide. Click the color scheme you prefer to apply it instantly. After changing colors, you can apply SmartArt styles for a more polished look. In the SmartArt Styles group, you'll see different visual effects such as subtle, moderate, and intense styles. These can include shadows, 3D effects, bevels, and glossy finishes. Simply click on a style to apply it. If you want to see more options, click the small drop-down arrow to expand the full gallery. Another useful feature is changing the layout without losing your content. With the SmartArt selected, go to the Layouts group in the SmartArt Design tab. Click on a different layout, and PowerPoint will automatically reorganize your existing text into the new format. This is a quick way to experiment with different visual structures without starting over. And that's how you use SmartArt graphics in PowerPoint 2010. You've learned how to insert SmartArt, add and edit text, open the SmartArt Design tab, change colors, apply styles, and switch layouts to fit your presentation needs. With these tools, you can transform plain bullet points into clear, engaging visuals in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.